co-captain, number 2, free safety, David Ciccolone. At cornerback, number 3, Anthony LaPolis. At linebacker, co-captain, number 8, Jarek Wentz. At defensive end, number 14, Adam Flotto. At cornerback, number 20, Avery Sovereign.
Hey, Bubba! Let's go, Bob!
At linebacker, number 22, Ryan Miley.
Let's go, baby!
At linebacker, number 25, Nate Faulkner. At linebacker, number 32, Bryce Rogozinski. At defensive end, co-captain, number 46, Ben Dorenzo. At defensive tackle, number 64, Chase Lawson. And at defensive tackle, number 79, Aiden Mulcahy. And the rest of your Northbridge Rams. And that play was good for another Northbridge Rams. It's the end of the first half with your score, Northbridge 21. Valley Tech 7. And we'll do it all again next Friday night when the Rams take on Auburn. Jarek Wentz on the tackle. There was a loss of about 4 on the play. It's going to bring up a 3rd and 13. A 1st and 10.